Previously on Flow Bass.
Oh yeah, there we go. Nice little eddy over here in this corner. Instant. Holy cow. Oh my. That was actually a better fish. Oh my. Look at these northern largemouth. Ooh, there's something.
What's going on, everybody? My name's Eric and welcome back to the Flow Bass channel. Thank you for tuning in and thanks for bringing your smiling faces to another video. I've been fishing up north for about 4 days now, and there's something that I've noticed the whole time I've been up here. Can you guys hear it? I think you guys can hear that. There have been cicadas singing to me the entire time I've been up north, so that gave me an idea. I want to see if these smallmouth will actually eat a cicada. So I brought a couple cicada lures to try out today. They have these little wings that open up and actually give it a walking action as you reel it across the top of the water. The water is down really low, so hopefully the smallmouth are looking up today and will be inclined to eat a cicada. So I'm going to hop in the kayak, start paddling around, and hopefully we can get into them.
All right, on the cicada, a little tiny smallmouth, holy cow. Pulling hard, like they always do. Oh, don't break off my cicada. Goodness. All right, here we go. Had to come way down river to find actual water, and been getting a few hits. Awesome. See you later, buddy. Yeah, the river is just so low that I had to get out a bunch of times and walk. It just, I wasn't seeing the fish in any of the holes, so I came way down river and found a big kind of where it, I don't know if you call this a lake or reservoir or what, but it opens up very wide, basically into a reservoir. And I am finding some fish. Had a few little nibbles, but yeah, we're looking pretty good. So let's keep on throwing the cicada. And they're still singing all day. They never stop, so that's why I wanted to throw this. And that fish actually ate this when it was underwater. I was trying to get it to come back up because every, 3 casts or so, this thing just sinks. And I guess it maybe lands upside down and it starts to dive instead of float straight up. He ate it underwater as it was diving, so that was really cool. Whoop. Oh, he's got a face full of trebles, so we'll net him. All right, there we go. All right, another smallie fell for the cicada. And they keep singing their song. All right, see you later, buddy. I saw him come out and wake for it. Come here, buddy. This is a pretty decent one. Oh, come on. Okay. Got him by one barb. Maybe he'll calm down just enough to grab him. There we go. All right. Woo! Just got spined by that rear spine there, the anal spine. Very nice. On the cicada. Got a little bust right over there. Awesome. They're loving it. I'm loving it. All right. One last look. Nice bronze smallie. All right, buddy. See you later. That was sick. Okay, bud. These fish, they never cease to amaze me. Oh, man. Whew. They make me so nervous. All right. Got another one. See you later. Man. So full of energy. Is he still in the net? He's still in the net. Oh my gosh. Well, there's the nicest fish of the day. Holy cow. And another one came out after him too. All right. There we go. This one's getting up there close to 18 inches. Let's see. This one's definitely worth measuring for sure. All right, don't jump. Be nice. Oh, almost 19. We're going to give him 18 3/4. All right, something tells me this one's ready to go. There she goes. Yes. All right, well, the cicadas are still buzzing, and we are getting close to the launch. I made my way back down the river where it opens up into a big reservoir. We really didn't start getting bites until we got up into the river, and it didn't even happen until later in the afternoon. Come on. Oh my gosh. I just got a bite. Oh! That was a nice largemouth. Wow. Right in this grass over here. What had happened was I made a cast and the cicada was underwater. I think it was upside down, and when that happens, it dives deep, doesn't stay on the surface. But that didn't prevent that fish from eating, but I couldn't tell I had a bite. I just started reeling and the line was shooting off down to the deep end of the lake. Okay. All right. What do we have? Smallmouth or largemouth? Smallmouth. Oh my gosh. There's a nice one. It's not as big as that 18 3/4, but take it. With how hard these guys fight, oh my gosh. Ooh, we just got them barely hooked. There we go. Now I'm a firm believer in that the only reason we hooked him or kept him on is because of the trapper hooks. Rest in peace, Trapper Tackle. I wish you guys were still around. Another nice one. Let's let him go.
Almost.
Yep.
That's a pretty cool boat you got there.
Thanks. You got a nice one too. Mine doesn't have a radio though. Well, guys, the cicadas have gone to bed and the crickets have come out. I haven't heard them for the past 20 minutes, so I think that means it's time to wrap it up. And also, my cicada's dead. Sure did get a workout today. A lot of fish ate this thing, and it was starting to wear out and walk funny after that last smallmouth. And finally, the reason why it was doing that came to light. The wing was about ready to fall off, so I'm gonna call it. I really appreciate you guys joining me. This was such a fun trip, and the cicadas, they gave me the idea to come out here and see if they would actually eat a cicada, and I would have to say yes. So I just want to say how much I appreciate you guys. I'm so grateful to be out here up north. This is such an awesome experience, and I'm glad you guys can come along. So with that being said, guys, my name's Eric. You're watching the Flow Bass channel. This is Up North. I will see you in the next episode. Peace out.